Imagine waking up tomorrow, knowing that you have a steady flow of income without stepping out of your home. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that students, just like you, are making hundreds of dollars every month using just their laptops or smartphones? And some of these methods don't require any special skills. The world is changing fast. Gone are the days when students relied solely on pocket money from parents. Today, the internet is a goldmine waiting to be explored. And every click, every task, and every effort you put in can directly translate into real money in your bank account. But here's the catch. Most students fail because they don't know where to start. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best platforms that students can use to make money online, step by step, with tips that can actually help you earn fast. Stay tuned because the last platform I reveal is something most people have never even heard of, yet it's insanely profitable. Freelancing has become the ultimate gateway for students to earn money online. Imagine offering services like graphic design, writing, video editing, or even social media management, and getting paid in dollars for work you can do from your bedroom. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect students with clients from all over the world. The beauty of freelancing is that there's no limit to what you can earn. Start with small tasks, build your portfolio, and soon clients will come to you. Many students have turned this into a full-time income, all while studying. And the best part? You learn real-world skills that can boost your career even after graduation. But here's the real secret. Most students fail because they undervalue themselves or are too scared to bid on projects. If you learn how to pitch properly and show real results, you can make $500, $1,000 a month without leaving your room. The possibilities are endless if you just take the first step. Do you excel in a subject like math, English, or science? Why not get paid to teach it? Online tutoring platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com are actively hiring students to help other students worldwide. You don't need to be a genius, just confident in your knowledge. The flexibility is unmatched. You choose your hours, work from anywhere, and interact with students in real time. Some tutors even report earning $20, $30 per hour, which is more than many part-time jobs. This not only gives you financial freedom, but also strengthens your understanding of the subject you love. But what really sets online tutoring apart is the satisfaction of helping others. Every solved problem, every guided lesson is a step closer to building your reputation. And the moment your first student praises your teaching, you'll realize that this platform isn't just about money, it's about impact. Have you ever thought about turning your hobbies into money? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram let students create content and earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or funny sketches, your creativity can become your income. What's exciting is the compounding effect. A single video can keep earning views and money long after you've uploaded it. Many students are now earning thousands per month just by sharing their unique perspective and skills. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment. A smartphone and consistency are enough. However, success doesn't come overnight. It requires strategy, patience, and engagement with your audience. But once you crack the code, your earnings can be life-changing. Imagine making money while doing what you love, inspiring people, and growing a loyal community all at the same time. Affiliate marketing is one of the most underrated ways for students to earn money online. Platforms like Amazon and ClickBank allow you to promote products and earn commissions on every sale you generate. You don't need to create products. You just recommend what already exists. The potential here is massive. A well-placed blog, social media post, or YouTube video can generate passive income month after month. Some students are making $2,000, $5,000 per month just by sharing products they genuinely like. The key is authenticity and understanding your audience. But here's the suspense. Many beginners fail because they rush into promoting everything without strategy. Focus on one niche, build trust, and provide value. Once you master this, affiliate marketing can turn into a long-term income stream that works even when you sleep. If you think making money online requires big skills, think again. Platforms like Swagbucks and Amazon Turk allow students to earn by completing surveys, watching videos, or doing small online tasks. It's simple, straightforward, and anyone can start immediately. The income may not be as high as freelancing or content creation, but it's consistent and perfect for students with limited time. Many use it as a side hustle to pay for books, subscriptions, or even small luxuries. And over time, with multiple platforms, these small earnings add up to a surprising monthly total. The trick is persistence. Treat every task as a real job, and over time, the rewards grow. The satisfaction of seeing your account balance rise from tasks that once seemed insignificant is addictive, and that's exactly why so many students stick with it. Here's a secret. You don't have to stick to just one platform. The most successful students diversify their income streams. While freelancing pays the bills, content creation builds your brand, and affiliate marketing adds passive income. Balancing multiple platforms may sound challenging, but it's about smart time management. Dedicate 2 to 3 hours a day to different platforms and watch how your income grows steadily. The more effort you put in now, the less you'll worry about money later. And here's the suspenseful truth. Students who start combining platforms early often see exponential growth. Imagine having 3 or 4 income streams before graduation. You'll be financially independent before most of your peers even get their first part-time job. While there's huge potential, students often fail due to common mistakes. The first is impatience. They expect instant results. The second is distraction, switching platforms too quickly without mastering one. And the third is overvaluing shortcuts. Quick hacks rarely work in the long term. Understanding these pitfalls early will save you months of frustration. Focus, consistency, and learning from small failures are your best friends. Remember, every successful student entrepreneur faced the same struggles and overcame them through perseverance. Mistakes are not failures. They are lessons. And each lesson learned brings you closer to building a reliable, sustainable income online. Here's the truth. You are at the perfect time in your life to start building your financial independence. Every hour you spend learning, earning, and creating now will multiply in the future. Students who start early often leave their peers far behind. Don't wait for the perfect moment or ideal opportunity. Start small, take risks, and experiment with different platforms. Your first $10 or $20 earned online might feel small, but it's the beginning of a journey that can transform your life. And the best part? You'll gain skills, confidence, and experience that money alone cannot buy. Once you realize the power of starting early, you'll never look at online money-making the same way again. Imagine a life where you can focus on studies, hobbies, or travel, while your online income keeps flowing steadily. It's not a dream, it's achievable, and thousands of students are already living this reality. You just need to take the first step. I know starting can be scary, but remember the hardest part is taking action. If you apply even one of these platforms today, you'll thank yourself tomorrow. And trust me, the feeling of earning your first online dollar is unlike anything else. So, if you're ready to change your life, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join a community of students who are already transforming their future. Don't just watch, act, learn, and earn. Your journey starts now.